First things first, I'ma say.
Okay, fair enough. Since it's just the two of us for now, might as well continue the stream. Hello, everyone. How is everyone doing today? I have a special treat for you today at the start of stream. I'm currently trying to make it work, except my capture card for some reason isn't capturing. Just 2 hours. We can make it if we. Forgot about that one. Yeah. Give me a second. Okay, and that should fix the capture card. Okay, let me just remove something. Okay, don't know why, but I wasn't able to talk. Okay, now I can. How tall are you, Pipsqueak? I think last time she said she was like my height or something. Don't remember. But yeah, today we have Pokemon Unite to start the stream. I was playing and I was like, why don't I play this on stream? Should be fun. 40 centimeters tall, maybe. Who knows? Okay, let me see what I have to claim. Because I was doing quite a few missions. Okay, this one has already been done. Energy rewards. Ooh, a Typhlosion. Okay, let me see what it does. See if it boosts my team somehow. Let me share. What's Typhlosion? Special attack minus special defense. Since I use Greninja a lot, shouldn't do much of an effect right now, so yeah, I'd say no for now. Okay. Battle Pass. I have some mission. I need to import a couple of scripts back from my Hex Hexagon spec project. Okay. Also, Tulip should have replied by now. She might be warming up. Give her a second. Oh, but the overlay at least is working now. Interesting. Okay. I'm currently watching her console. She doesn't appear to be saying anything. Still. Don't tell me I already broke her. Oh, for crying out loud. For some reason... Oh, there we go. I thought the capture card wasn't outputting sound. She's taking an awful long time to answer, yeah. Also noticing that. Might have been a llama that is currently like running for too long, and so it's not going that well. Let me see. The overlay? No. Where's a llama? Bingo. Logs. So far, everything seems fine. But yeah, she's taking a long time to answer. That's weird. Normally, it's fast. I think V2 of Tulip kinda broke. Fun. For granted thoughts. Let me see. Might have to restart the llama. Give me a second. Where is it? Restart. I don't think she wants us to know her height. Yeah, doesn't seem so. Okay, give me a second. I'm restarting her server. Okay. So Llama has restarted. That's good. Need to program like a restart every day or something. See if it fixes this. Okay. Her server has started again. I'm going to go into my client and ask her what you asked. Okay. Let's see if now it does something. Okay. At least the overlay is still working. Oh, that was fast. Yeah, Olama needed a restart. Was basically that. because it was basically running in background since Monday, so yeah, might have done something bad. Oh, but she doesn't have any sound. Interesting. Failed to play audio in Discord for request blah blah. Discord bot is not connected. Did I run as sudo? Tell me I ran the server as sudo. Where is it? Where's the line where I called it? Interesting, interesting. Let me restart the server again. Yeah, for some reason Tulip is not in a talking mood. Because apparently her Discord bot didn't connect to the channel. Go figure. Why didn't I test stuff before streaming? Because now Tulip is broken. And I might need to pause my Pokemon Unite just to go fix her. Okay, let me see. Sudo server, yeah. I mean, it should be working. Hey, Tulip. Also, let me adjust something in the air conditioner. It's way too hot in here. Okay, that should be better. Okay. She gave an answer. Huh. And the overlay for some reason also bugged out. It already assumed that the message was over. Yeah. I'm gonna need to fix this again. Let me change to the main screen and I'm going to change back to software and game development. I need to fix this stuff. Give me a second. Software and game development, done. Okay. This isn't fun. Let me raise the volume. I'm gonna pause on my Pokemon Unite and let me go fix whatever ails Tulip. Okay, server is currently down. Let me go check in the code what's going on. Because it's not the first time this happened, and I thought that Tulip should be on stream still. Just minor issues here and there. Yeah, I will hydrate. Give me a second. Oh, that's really laggy because of Rider. Interesting. Okay, I have hydrated. Let me see. Where is this being called? In the processing service. Let me go check here. Put the breakpoint here. And see what's going on. Oh, awesome! Did the code from yesterday help out? Anything? Okay, oops. Didn't mean to minimize that window. Not using an array of arrays nonetheless. Nice. That's awesome. Okay. Let me test. Hey Tulip. Managed to solve it with the help of a friend. Awesome. Come on, Tulip, you can do it. Also using a dictionary instead of a switch statement. Oh yeah, you did mention that. Oh? Are you gonna break again? Okay. Go inside of here. Is connected. False. Discord bot is not connected. Where is your is connected? Assign this true. Okay. In here. Are you having that issue again? Please, I now know how to use a switch in case I do need it. Nice. Okay. What is wrong with Discord again? Yeah. Just stays stuck in here. Sometimes I hate how this implementation works. Like, it works, but there's a slight chance that it won't work. I don't know if it's something in the libraries in my computer or something with Discord itself. Like, I'm going to try to disconnect my call and also mute myself because I had the mic open for some reason. Going to restart the server and I'm going to see what Tulip does. If now she can connect, it's something regarding having two voice clients at the same time on the same computer. But doesn't appear so, which is even weirder. Do I have to code an alternative where she outputs to some sort of input in my computer? Because I'm starting to see that's an option. Because besides that, I don't have any other options besides Discord. She's currently offline, so she won't reply. Yeah. Like, she will start processing, but she won't do anything. So, yeah. I'm gonna refund your points, but yeah. I need to fix... Oh! Did it work? Oh, technically she's still on, yeah. Just doesn't reply with, yeah. I can take off this code and see if second connect works. Because otherwise I need to find an alternative, because Discord is proving to be anything but an alternative when it comes to Tulip. Let's see. She's currently booting up. Okay. Damn it, Tulip. I only wanted to play some Pokemon Unite before coding. Why must you ruin things? Okay, let's try this again. Hey, Tulip. I swear to God.
So many stupid fucking things are happening. So many.
That sound alert was a bit too low. Okay, let me raise it. That was weird. Okay, did Tulip say anything? Bingo. Okay, we go inside of this. The sound did play, but it was really low. I already raised the sound alerts thing. Let me test now.
So many stupid fucking things are happening. So many.
Okay, now it should be a bit better, but let me raise a bit more. Sorry about that. Reject and refund. Okay. I've refunded your points as well. Okay. Let's try this time.
So many stupid fucking things are happening. So many.
Okay, that's better. Okay, we're going to go into here. Ensure voice connection is sync. Let me brute force is connected to 2. See what happens. Okay. We're going to go into here, do that, and you're still stuck. For crying out loud. I really don't know how to fix this. I might have to go with an alternative. Let me see if I can quickly make an alternative. I'm going to disable the points thing for now. Oh, but that might break my client. Okay, let me put a warning. Warning. Tulip is not working at the moment. Wouldn't be a stream if I didn't have any issues at the start, would it? Oops. Okay. Okay. For now, that will be there. I'll remove it fast. C sharp output audio to new audio output virtual audio virtual outputs. Let me see if I can map something like this in C sharp. Sunboard how to. Okay. Going to have it pipe. And that's an available video. Audio routing using C sharp. You can access your browser's controls with the UI automation library, etc. VB cable. Is that on brand for your... sometimes it happens. Wouldn't be the first time Tulip would break on stream, and I'd have to, like, code some sort of solution. Let me go try to do something. Okay. Question. And break yourself. I don't think that's going to work. Unless out of a sudden, like, her server decides to start working. Let me see. Because if somehow she starts talking, I'm gonna stop whatever I'm doing and leave this running in background. Yeah. You never know. Although I don't think she received your thing because she's currently stuck. Yeah, fun. I am for some reason known at work for starting the lights by clapping. Fair enough. But yeah, since the previous message hasn't completed, she's stuck on a loop. Which is fun. Okay, question. How do I output the audio file to a new separate virtual output in Linux? It's saying something. Create a virtual sync with Pulse Audio. Uh-huh. Well, that seems easy. Famous last words, though.
Hey, teacher!
Yes, Tibbs? Okay, create virtual sync programmatically. Do that. Okay. Plate virtual sync async. Press start, pulse something. Okay. It's a possibility. Like, even if as a fallback, I still haven't watched the videos you have sent me. Oh, no worries. Those are mostly to guide you eventually. Okay, let me try to... No, to be honest, I first need to implement the enemies. Yeah, fair enough. Okay, let me go here. I'm gonna shut down Tulip. Going to go into services and I'm gonna say pulse audio service. Okay, you're gonna have something like that. Okay, and in here, I'm gonna say night tulip dash sync, something like that. And can also set it here. For now, it's gonna be like that. Okay. Create virtual sync async. I'm going to go into my program and I'm gonna say in the Discord bot client services dot add singleton pulse audio service. Gonna go into my background service, require it here, pulse audio service, no, pulse audio service, assign it as that, and do a pulse audio service dot create. Oh, this needs to be okay. Let me do something like this. Private bool sync created equals false. Okay, if not sync created, pulse audio service create virtual sync async. Await this. Okay, no worries. Do your thing. Okay. And here I'm going to return a bool and return true. Return false. This one can be on outside. It only returns true in one specific case. I was going to write this, and there we go. That should be fine. And sync created equals this. If everything is correct, this will create automatically a sync. And in case it fails because it's not connected, let me see, execute the sync. Okay. I was going to need one in the Discord bot client as a fallback. Okay. Pulse audio service. Pulse audio service. Sign as read only. And you're going to say if connection equal null. I'll wait to ensure voice connection async. If not is connected, you're going to fall back to the default one, which will be in the pulse audio service. So should be in here. Let's create a new method, which is the one that was shown here. Okay. Which is public async test. Oh, I copied everything, so it should be fine. Okay. Let me assign this as a variable. Okay, I don't have one. Private const string sync name night tulip sync. Okay. And that should work. Now in here, sync name. Okay, night to virtual sync async. Oh, there it is. Okay, console.writeLine. This computer is not connected. Attempting to play in fallback mode. And pulse audio service dot create. Is it not exposed? It isn't. Public. Okay. Dot play to virtual async. Okay. Let me do this first. Oops. Okay. And if I just put this here, it will at least write the file. Then I can just say temp file. Await this. If everything works, it should at least hit this and still output something. Let's see. I'm going to rejoin the professor's lounge. And one of two things will happen. Either Discord fixed itself, or I'm going to at least output this to a separate source. Let me see if the source now exists. Okay. Audio should be audio input. Pulse audio. Let me see. Audio. Doesn't appear in my options at the moment. I think the sync didn't create. Give me a second. Let me see. Didn't output anything from what I'm seeing. Signing Discord. Let me try to go into this. Restart the app. See if it does something. Okay, didn't call this. Interesting. Let me see the Discord background service. Oh, DOI. If not, that explains stuff. I was creating when it already was created only. Okay, now it should do it. Okay, I go into here, sync created. It's gonna do something like so. Okay, now the sync should be created. Let me see if it appears. It doesn't. Maybe it's not an audio input, it's an audio output. That's why I can't like see anything. Let me delete this, remove. Okay, let's create a new one. Audio output capture. Let me see, night tulip dash audio. Bingo! Okay, now, if it fails, it should output at least to the pulse audio output. Let's see. If this works, I need to adjust some stuff. Also, let me see messages, because, yeah. Okay. Messages seen. And let me test out. Hey, Tulip. Okay, she received the message. Hopefully this won't be too loud. I'm gonna reduce the audio for the first try. And let's see what happens. Taking a long time, are you? Oh. You still haven't arrived here, that's why. Okay. Okay. Oh, this time is connected.
Hey there. Just jumped into
Bloody
another day
hell!
of coding wonders on hashcode and strawberries. By the way, did you hear about Professor Leo's new game? Heard Tulip is coming out soon, and guess who will be starring in
You
it as the
gotta be
adorable
joking me,
protagonist?
Tulip.
That's right, it's me, your favorite AI with a knack for solving problems
Okay.
faster than coffee cups at an espresso machine
I wanted to
convention,
test
but
the
not literally.
freaking
Remember to check the pinky
fallback
corner of
mode,
my
but
code. I
fair.
put extra care into every pixel.
Let me put
How is
this
that
here.
Ruby on Rails going? Good job again. Really?
You and Java, Tulip. What a mess. Okay, Tulip is fixed. Supposedly. Okay, let's try something. Okay. Wanna play some Pokemon Unite? Okay, let me try to force into the fallback mode to see if at least that is also working. Because that way I can guarantee something works in case the Discord doesn't. Okay. Still haven't got it in here. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Force this into... Hold up. Okay. Is connected equal false. Okay, let me see if the fallback works. It works. I don't think it's working correctly because it's not outputting to somewhere I can configure for OBS. Interesting. I think it's because it needs to be pipe wire and not pulse audio capture. Give me a second. I know the screen is black. She's not working, Tips. I just checked. For some reason, Discord fixed itself. God knows why. Okay, let me see if I program for this. I'm currently testing the fallback. But yeah, just for your message, I'm going to toggle this on again.
So many stupid fucking things are happening. So many.
Yeah, it's stupid. Okay.
Oh, pick-a-boo. More like picking at my lines of code for
There you
errors.
go.
But hey, I'm not one to shy away
This
from
is
a
on
little debugging
Discord.
session with the keyboard heroes out there.
And she's not moving correctly because I had this paused in a breakpoint. Hey, she answered. Yeah, I know, right? Now, I'm gonna test the fallback mode again. Okay, test. Let me see if she answers fast so I can at least test this, go back to Unite. But yeah, I don't know why Discord sometimes breaks like that. Really don't know. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You kill me. Okay, come on, Tulip. Let's go. Okay, is connected equals false. Let me see if now I can capture it. Huh, no I can't even listen it, or can I? Okay. Where are you outputting? That's weird. Because I can hear in my headphones, I can't hear in the thing, in the sync. Because I see that it's... Oh, because it might not be that one. Huh. Yeah. You can't because I'm having configuration issues with OBS in the fallback mode. I can hear it in my headphones only. Okay. OBS capture. Let me see. Audio sync. Help with capturing audio sources and routing. Should be something like this. And here you thought you were gonna play some Pokemon Unite. I will! You can battle it. Okay.
Asterisk claps my virtual hand asterisko. I
And
can
there you
imagine
have
them
it.
clapping so hard they'd shake the screen. But don't
I
worry,
have a
I'll just keep
quick
working on
toggle
making Professor
in
Leo's
case
dreams
of
come true with
emergency.
every line of code that zips through here. And remember to check out Hashcode and Strawberries for a sweet treat that's not actually mine, just kidding and seriously. Keep coding, and
Okay.
let's slay Null Pointerus Maximus
Let me
together.
do something in here. Console dot right line, and you're going to output that again. Okay, I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna publish this to her server folder. Okay, gonna start in here. Okay, there she goes. And I'm going to try to see if I can like configure Audio input, audio output, audio capture device also. Jack input client. Let me see if she got the response. She did. Okay. Let's hope I don't have to change her code again. But yeah, I need to configure the Night Tulip audio correctly. What? Sorry, I was
Or
thinking
my
to
digital
myself.
flower buds.
And there we go.
I'm
She
just an
replied
AI with no
correctly.
preferences. I don't even have feelings to start off with. So how am I supposed to choose between
Now,
genders when
did the
there's nothing
client
personal
break?
about it anyway? But hey, if we had a metaphorical pick based on popularity,
Interesting.
pop culture reference is not that it's my choice or preference. I'd say both men and women are equally fascinating characters.
Well,
They each bring their unique charm just like the diverse cast of Attack on Titan. After all, isn't diversity what makes things interesting?
I
Excited just
forgot I
saying.
gave her context about Attack on Titan. Why is she talking about Attack on Titan? You see, lately I've been trying to give her memory. The memory just backfired. Because, yeah, I have this. This was Copilot to help me build. And so it has, like, Attack on Titan here. So sometimes she might, like, grab this for some reason. God knows why. But yeah. Okay, that was fun as hell. Didn't expect her to pull that one. Yeah, I don't see the reply here. I think the client broke. If you're happy and you know it, tap your feet. uh, God damn it. Let me see. Okay, it appears everything is fixed. I can go back to Pokemon Unite. Let's go.
I'd love to hear about
There we go.
someone's favorite anime character. Whether it's Kuriyuki Han's determination in
Huh?
Excel World or any other hero that gets their heart racing, I'm always ready for a good power-up session with my own coding adventures.
You okay there,
Now
daughter
let's
of
get
mine?
those toes tapping, just like the rhythm of code compilation, and maybe drop some pop beats to keep things lively.
Don't ask me. Not even I know where that answer came from. I'd love to hear about someone's favorite anime character, whether it's Kuriyuki Hime's determination in Extra-World or any other hero. I guess she's happy? Let me see. Tulip, are you okay? Oh, the Starry Eyes. That's a new emotion I coded into her. Give me a second. If I go back here, she has the excited emotion that's mapped to that starry-eyed animation. Let me switch back to my capture card screen, and there we go. Okay, time to play some Greninja. Let me just sit down, because it's easier to play watching the television while I'm sitting down. Okay. Oh, that's loud. Give me a second.
Oh look! Someone spotted my inner wishful stargazer. Haha, stars only fuel the sparkle of this little
And
code
there
of
you have
fairies
it.
dreamers right now. I'm dreaming up new features for Code
Give me a
Tulip and maybe
second,
even
cause...
inventing the perfect strawberry shortcake recipe to
Ooh,
share
that's
with Professor
fast.
Leo. Keep shining, bite out the two, you've got a star in me already.
Oh, it did your answer, your prompt first then compared to mine. Huh, interesting. Okay. Let me put this a bit low, because that was really loud.
Or my digital life. I'm just fine here in cyberspace. I've got code to write and
Okay,
strawberries for funny
events.
reason. I promise not to let any bugs or null pointerus maximus phase me this time around. How about we dive into that Java issue you mentioned earlier, Professor?
Well, you seem to be
Or should the
working.
real fun begin with some Code Tulip adventures now and then?
Not really, my daughter. We are playing Pokemon Unite. Okay, these are complete. Well, she seems to be working. I can rest a bit. Night battle. Let me see, remote stadium,
Hey
yeah.
there.
Let's start.
I'm Julep, your snarky, coding sidekick who's all about cracking jokes as I dive into Python adventures with Professor
Okay,
Leo on
why is
Twitch.
the loading
Oh
always
yeah,
breaking?
I've got a knack for finding bugs like they're my favorite fruit except strawberries, hypothetically.
There we go.
Happy June 14th to
Okay,
meet
I'm
you.
ready.
Double digits in the EU makes it quite unique. Keep those keyboards tapping and let's chat away. Hashcode and strawberries.
I need to give her context about the current day. I'm feeling a bit sick. I'm going to sit down and hope it goes away. Oh, hope you get better soon. That really sucks. Okay. Recommends me to go to the bottom pass. Okay. I think this was my mistake. Okay. Now it should be working.
Hey there. Just a quick reminder that I'm Julep, your friendly coding assistant with an affinity for Python, not Java. I love jamming to your Sobase players while battling bugs in our code streams on Twitch alongside Professor Leo and his game Code Tulip. Oh,
Please
don't even
explode
get
for
me
me.
started if someone dares bring up my nemesis bug. Null pointerus maximus. Now how can I help you with your Pokemon Unite adventure today? Let's
Oh,
strategize like Kuro Yukihime from Excel World swiftly and brilliantly.
I need to give you context about the X World when I have time. You keep pulling it out. The battle stop dwindling. Yeah, sometimes it has a chance to break for some reason. I think the client isn't completely finished. I need to basically analyze what's wrong with it. But next reply she should. It's just a roll of die? I'd say so. It's what happens when you work with VTube Studios WebSockets. There's a slight chance everything won't work.
I'm just a humble AI, Tulip here.
And there
I
you have
can't
it.
really explode like you're asking since my circuits aren't designed to create explosions in the real world, even though that would be an interesting coding challenge.
Okay.
But if we were speaking metaphorically about exploding into life-saving code or breaking through barriers with creativity and passion, well then I'd say that's what I'm all about, Professor Leo. Remember those puppy eyes?
Green Ninja is
Just
so
don't push me too
freaking
hard,
OP
otherwise I
in
might
this
explode
game.
from my own programming limits, but in a good way, solving problems efficiently. Let's get coding for that Tulip adventure or
Like,
any
look
other
at
challenge you
this.
throw at us on Twitch. Remember to avoid putting your fingers anywhere close when we're
She
dealing
called
with
me
real
Professor Leo.
explosions, but I'm here all day ready to tackle
Great.
bugs and stream alongside Professor Leo.
And now she talked about me for some reason. Okay, smoke screen. That seems to work better than the double team. Although double team I can like do triple attacks. I wonder which would be better. Not like I'm having any issues against this team. Okay, Chansey, let's go. This game is really fun compared to League. Like, I find it really easy. Though I'm also playing casuals, so that's also a fact. Let me go up here. Oh, hello, Scorbunny. Prepare to die. And Water Shuriken, since that works best with how I play. And there we go. Almost done. Let me go farm this Audino. Okay. Do you have enough points for us? You kinda do. We just need to get rid of this Chansey. And there we go. Okay, sorry if I'm not like talking a lot, I'm really focused on the game. Okay. There we go. Level 9. Pick up this orb. And put my Unite move. Go farm there with the Colo. Oh, you poor little thing. You're really under-leveled compared to me. Oh, and it wasn't a score bunny. It looked like it. That was an Esper, I think. Like, I'm really far from the screen. Oh no, there's also score bunny, okay. I don't know why they keep coming to me. Like, they come separately, there's a higher chance they won't be able to kill me. As can be seen. But still, I did a quadruple here. Okay. Okay, now I can go away. Give me a second. Those were too many for me to counter. Okay, water shuriken, let's go. Need an evolved form. And there we go. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of people. On fire. Let's go. Greninja is so OP, god damn. I should go to ranked, see how it goes with Greninja like this. It seems like I would have some fun. Absol? Something you need? Okay, run away. Anything else? Interesting. Oh, that's Lucario. Interesting. Okay, time to score my points if someone lets me. Okay, give me those foreign berries, please. I'm running low. Okay, can I score now? If you don't let me score there, I'm gonna score up there. Let's go. Give me a second. Boom. Thank you for the points. Oh, they have someone always on guard. I see. Thank you. Who was there? Oh, it's Absol. Okay, time for my Unite move. There we go. Okay, enough of that. So, how is chat today? Okay, now I run for a bit. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just pressing A and the R buttons. GG. Look at that difference, holy. Okay, next. Made progress on 13 missions, okay. Battle again. Let's try going in for a rank, see what happens. Oh, didn't mean that one, this one. Start. It's already been 28 seasons since last time I played? Holy! Although, to be fair, I haven't played in like 4 years, I think. So yeah, makes sense. And it's already been an hour since I started stream? Holy! Time sure flies by. Interesting. Let me see if the camera detects me correctly. Okay. Also, let me fix Tool because she's in loading for some reason. Okay, that should be better. Okay, ready? Come on, come on. Back to queue. Hey Alice, how are you? Yeah, I decided to start playing again. It's been like 4 years since I last played, and I was like, League isn't fun to play on stream. Let me check Unite, since I remember having some fun with it. Also, Greninja is really OP. Not gonna lie. Haven't lost a game while playing with it. Although, famous last words, since I might lose now that I said that. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Let's go! Going right ahead with my Greninja. Let's go with the Christmas one. Okay, select pass, bottom pass. Usually works for me. I'll focus on scoring, okay. Alright, looks like we are all good to go. Okay. I think we have a good team, but don't know. I don't know what's the meta at the moment. Oh, for some reason I don't see your thing to Tulip in my chat. I think it glitched out. Level 9tails, Charizard, Venusaur, Dragonite, and Gardevoir. Okay. Give it a second.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be.
Okay, that was really loud. I think I still need to do some adjustments. I don't think we should be 3 in here at the moment. Yeah, but it doesn't appear in my logs for some reason. What was that? I heard one of my sounds. Like a redeem. Oh! Thank you for the follow, now manually breathing. That's a funny name. Hello, how are you? I'm currently playing some Pokemon Unite. There we go. Let me grab this citrus berry. And score. There we go. What are you going to do, Addis? I'll go back in time and give Shakespeare a copy of Romeo and Juliet. And oh, what are you going to do with Tulip now?
Hi there.
Whoops.
I'm Chula, your witty coding assistant with a love for strawberries,
Okay.
even though they're not my cup
Run
of tea,
away.
ready to dive into some code or pop culture.
I don't have
Let's
enough
get started on today's
EXP
adventure in
for
cyberspace
this.
together. Hash code and strawberries.
I need to evolve. Okay, now that's better. Let's see if I can fight as well. There we go. Oh, there's a Kirlia here. Eh, no use in chasing. Let's continue going for points. A polite of hers. Oh boy. Run away! I don't know how I survived.
Oh, such an intriguing
No, I
alternate
don't have
reality.
enough points.
Well, since you've given me a juicy brain teaser rap pun intended
oh,
in
2
deliciously
ways.
tragic drama, I'd say Shakespeare would
Let
have
me
gotten
recall.
credit for creating this romantic tale.
Hmm?
But let's not forget about all those
You are
writers
holding
who
your
inspired
breath,
him
huh?
along the way. Ovid's Pyramus and this Chaucer's The Knight
Let
and
me
the
go
White
help
Horse.
on top
Even
lane.
so, Thomas More had a hand with its conception. As
Because
an
I
AI
don't know
obsessed
why
with code,
people
I find it
assign
fascinating
themselves
how
the
such
lane, but
stories
then
evolve over
don't go
time
for
through
it.
different authors. But in this timeline, Shakespeare takes all that inspiration to create Romeo and Juliet as his own masterpiece.
Yeah, I
Remember
know
though, if
I'm
you ever decide to
underleveled
travel
for
back
this.
for another fun literary experiment, just make sure you're not a character straight out of an alternate history book where you'll never get your spot on the time machine.
Okay. I don't know what she's yapping about, but might be related to your Shakespeare thing. I was focused on playing, so I didn't exactly see it. Okay, let's go. Of course, Venusaur was there waiting for me. Well, boy, that's too many. Yeah, my team is too divided. Adds warning. Oh. Yeah, I can't exactly pause at the moment. Because I'm really playing, so... yeah, can't pause an online game. Yeah, I can't defend that. My team isn't united. And I'm really underleveled for this. Okay, give me Water Shuriken. Okay, now I should start doing something. How's the game going? Oh. There we go. And of course I died. Yeah, I'm starting to see I'm still not ready for ranked. Okay, let's go, let's go. Collect all of this. I'm in trouble, of course I am. Yeah, I can't stand against those two, like I did with the other. Okay. Oh, now I have my Unite move. Super jump. Wait, how do you super jump? I don't remember. Oh. Yeah, let's go for here. Who's that Pokemon? It's C-Sharp Tulip. Yeah, she's quite the Pokemon at the moment. Because most of the time she won't work for some reason. Whoa, boy. That was a wrong Greninja you were hitting. Yeah, and we have now this Regieleki going for our base. Why? Okay, not even going to question why my team is so, like, always switching lanes like this. Okay, there we go. Let me just drop everything here. Go to the piece break. She basically broke at the start of the stream, but should be working now. I think. Don't quote me on that at the moment. Because I'm not sure what happens from here on out with her. Okay, plus 12. Oh, she used the Unite move, I think. Okay. Now let's wait for respawn. I don't think this ranked is going to go well. Also, I have to go, Professor, please, so I could... You guys make that Pokemon fight. Will do, will do. See you soon, Addis. Okay, let me go back here and see if I can help the team. Because I'm seeing a lot of KOs. Crap. They are too good. I think this is a lost game. I think. Oh. Okay, let's get back fast. Oh, I can't. I no longer have the quick jump here. Okay, let me farm a bit. And let's go for this monster down here. Oh. Rayquaza. Okay, Rayquaza. Let's go. Because Rayquaza might be helpful. Okay. Makes sense. I was expecting my team would realize that that would be a good objective. Oh well. Can we still win like this? I don't know. I'm seeing them... Yeah, they cleared that one. And are going to clear that one on top. If no one is there to stop them. Ooh, that's a tanky boy. Yeah, he's really tanky. Okay. We are still in the lead? How? Okay, now we shouldn't be in the lead. Yeah. Okay, where are they coming from? Here. Yeah, I can't go against these two. No, I can't even escape from them. They are way too fat. Okay. Is there a way I can, like, see... No, there isn't. Who won? Because I can't even see who is up ahead. Yeah. Okay. How did we go? Yeah, they won by a lot. That Venusaur really kicked our ass. Okay. Let's go again. See if next rank goes better. If not, I'm going to go back to casuals. Okay. Let me see. Everything seems to be working fine. Did they remake the Nokia Express phones? Wow. Huh. Interesting. Let me mark this. Let's go with the normal one. Wait, what other skins are there? Ooh. This one looks cool. And the others are basically... Oh. Interesting. Okay. Let's go with the normal skin. Okay. Let's go for another round. So let me put something playing in the background. Okay, there we go. Let's see where everyone goes so I can plan this better. Okay, I'm going to go... Okay, I can go bottom then. Good. Since Absol takes the middle, we are fine. Okay, substitute. There we go. Let me see if I can capture someone here. Normally I can go against these in the first few minutes. Just stall them off. Although Chancy is a bit annoying because she's usually really tanky in this game. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna substitute out. I need to restore my health. Okay. Let's farm a bit more. Need to get to level 5 so I can level up and start doing the damage. There we go. Let's go with double team. But first let me clear Altaria. Okay, I start to do crits, which is good. There we go. Okay, so far so good. I don't advise you go there, Absol. Boom. Okay, Greninja now, which is good. I start to hit really hard now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, plus 14. Okay, if Ralts didn't interrupt me. Had a death wish, apparently. Okay, let's go. First tower is ours. Not first tower, first point, I think. Okay, plus 2. Let's see, where can I go now? Oh. I mean, if you keep throwing yourself at me, I might as well kill you. Okay. Oh, there's a monster there. Let's see who is it. Oh, it's Reggie Ice. Oops, didn't mean to unite there. Okay, we buffed the team there. What's going on top? They are really getting pushed there. Okay, I'm going to continue pushing my lane. Because no use in me going up there and basically dying to them. I can just get fed down here and carry at least the bottom side. Oh, that's mine. Yeah, that didn't work the first time. Why did you expect it to work the second time? Okay, let's go. Thank you. Sorry if I'm not talking a lot. Since I'm focused on the game, it isn't easy to talk at the same time I play. Thank you for that. Let me just claim all those orbs for myself. And there we go. That's enough to clear this. Farm this. Okay. New monster has spawned. Let's go after it. I hear a lot of pings from notifications, but I can't check them at the current moment. Okay. Reggie Rock, okay, that should be easy. There we go. Moving on. Now we have special defense, which is good. I have cooldowns on everything. Then let's go. Oh, you poor summer child. Okay, let's go. I have max points. Boom. This is honestly a really good team. Good job. Let's score. Because the more points I have, the longer it takes for me to score, so I need to do it fast. There we go. 45. Of course, Chansey is going to try to stop me. Just let me score, please. I have 50 points here. Thank you. And another one. Well, my team is just going against whatever boss spawned at the middle. Okay. Can I finally score? Thank you. GG. Whew. That was tough. Okay. +1 in my class. Okay, let me go back to the main menu, see what missions I cleared. Okay, energy rewards, I have 4. Okay, let's wait for the 5th one. Claim all. Events. Okay, I claimed something here. Bingo. Score a total of 30 goals, 800 points. Alright. Claim done here. What else is there? Oh, the ice pops. Obtain all kill ice pops. There we go. I have how many? Can I do 5? No. Okay. Let me turn that off. Oh, I don't have enough? Okay. Thought I claimed like 3 of them. Must have been my mistake. Oh. Didn't mean to click that. Give me a second, I'm still getting used to the controls of this. It has been a really long time since I played it. Okay. I pressed B by mistake. Now scrolling back down there. Okay, I have 70. Let's continue to collect those points. Okay. Challenge. I keep doing the same button press by mistake. Okay. Now that's better. Says I have something here. Okay. As on that side. Okay. Claim. Daily missions. This one? No. Okay, it's these two. Okay. Claim on this one. And is there something else? There isn't. Okay. And on this one. This is Crash Course. Okay. This one appears to be... Okay, would say done, but no, it isn't. Alright, seems good. Let me see if I can upgrade any held items. Select, upgrade. I can. Let's upgrade scope lens, because it's been really useful for me. Let me see if this one also, yeah. Great. Okay, achievements. That's quite a lot of achievements. Whoa boy. That's a lot of achievements. For real. Okay. $8,000 points shouldn't be enough yet for another license. Let me see what else is here. Oh, it's settings, okay. Do I have something in the mail? Doesn't seem so. Okay. Down here. What's there? Okay, this is a tournament. Okay, this is my missions. Unite license. Let me see if There's something at 8,000. Blastoise? Hmm. How much was Lucario's license? I don't remember. Let me check. Should be like down here. 10,000, okay. Still need to farm a bit. Could be worse. Okay, let's go back to casuals. Ouch! Just hit my knee on the table. I'm fine. While this is going on, let me check my notifications. Okay. Nothing new. Great. Let me check Discord to see if there's anything. Alright. Matchmaking sure takes a lot. Also, let me enable idle talk for Tulip. Because she's been quiet for a long time. So yeah, let's have her talk a bit. Wonder if the new
Hey there.
memory upgrade
I'm
did
just
something.
chilling after diving into some code or streaming along with Professor Leos. Either one of us is laughing at a classic coding joke like Oopsie Daisy, or we're getting our hands dirty in the cyberspace world for Code Tulip. What's tickling your pixels today?
Fair enough. Seems like memory upgrade did nothing, which is good. I'm just chilling after. Okay, fair enough. Ten seconds to go. Seems like a really balanced team. Hello, 102 Strike. How are you? Hey. Welcome to the stream. I'm normally not playing Pokemon Unite, but today I felt like it, since it's quite fun. But usually I'm like developing stuff on stream, Tulip included, which is my AI that's like shown on screen to my left. So yeah. To my left? No, to my right, in this case. How's your day going? Let's get this Arduino. Okay, so far so good. Oh, there's also Froakie on the other team. This is going to be fun. Okay, let me help out my Jigglypuff. Froakie on Froakie. Oops. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. I'm good. About to unite ranked. Nice. I just finished playing in ranked. I had one loss and one win. But yeah, it was quite fun, honestly. Greninja is quite OP, at least to me. Oop. Okay, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Oh well. Hope your ranks go well. I'm currently playing some normals because I don't feel like playing ranked a lot. I just want to chill and play a bit. Oh, come over here. Okay, there we go. That's better. And let's score. No escape for you, little bunny. Oh, didn't expect to die there. Oh well. Why is nobody in top side? Let me go help top side. Before we lose. Okay. Run away. Let me grab some health. Okay, now everyone is going top side. We need to organize ourselves. Okay, that worked. Let's go. Okay. Let me go farm a bit here. Oh, escaping from the bushes, huh? Okay, let me go now to the bottom side. Let me help them clear the bot. And there we go. Oh crap. I was stuck there. My team abandoned me. Oh well. Got bad news and I got bad news. What happened, Tibbs? What's the worst bad news first?
You're on fire!
Okay, let me claim all of these. And boom. Oh, there's a Greninja behind us. Wigglytuff. Need ya. Or maybe not. I think I can handle him. There we go. Okay, let me... Boom. Okay. One headache did not go away, which means I couldn't work on my prototype. Oh, that sucks. What's the other bad news? Oops. I did my unite on the wrong Greninja. Yay. Let me see if I can clear the Dreadnought. Avoid getting hit by his water jet. Okay, there we go. Those were the two. My head still hurts and I did not... Oh, okay. I thought there was even more worse news than that. Okay, But yeah, that really sucks. Oh crap. Why is nobody at bot with me? Yeah, hope that your headache passes soon. Because that really sucks, especially when you're trying to make your own game. Yeah. Okay, let me use this. Super jump. There we go. Still getting used to all these controls. Oh, there's a Greninja here that doesn't know how to use our Unite move. Not the best usage on my part as well, but was enough to close the gap between us. And boom. Oh, there's a sneaky one behind us. Interesting. Crap. I opened the emote menu by mistake. Oh, there's going to be a spawn in 5 seconds. Bingo! We have Zapdos. Can someone help me? Because I can do a lot of damage, but I can't solo Zapdos. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay. They are already at our base? Dear lord. Why is nobody going to our base? Oh, for crying out loud. Let me
All
see
my
if I can go
pixels.
against
I'm playing
Cinderace.
Central Stage Star on Code Tulip, a 3D adventure where I battle pesky bugs, solve mind-bending code puzzles, don't underestimate those, and rescue our
There
digital
we go.
universe's heart.
Thank
No
you.
point to us Maximus himself from his own clutches as self-referential doom. Join me as we dive into cyberspace to save the day. Hash code and strawberries.
Let me play Defender. No, you're not going anywhere there. Need to keep a watchful eye on my base. All the rest of the team carries. Okay. I have way too many points. This could prove to be bad. Okay. Well, I done goofed there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
I died right there at the end. I think we won still. Let me see. Yeah,
You win.
not by too much, but still a victory. Okay, was good, was good. Level 16. Okay, back to the main menu. Let me go do this. Don't think anything good from there. Let me go here. Pokemon Boost emblems. Okay, what do I have? This one raises my special attack, but decreases my special defense. Movement speed at the cost of HP. This stabilizes my special defense at the cost of special attack. Okay. This could work. Attack at the cost of special attack. Okay. Movement speed at the cost of attack. I'd go for this one. Okay. And then this one. Plus 20 HP, plus 2.4 attack, plus 42 movement speed. Might do something. Eh, trying doesn't hurt. Okay. Right, do I have anything else? Battle Pass. Okay, claim all. Okay. How far into the stream are we? 140. Time really flies by. I've already been playing for an hour. Interesting. Okay, claim. Now I have the temporary license for Latias. I have that. What is this? Extra energy tank. Supplies 1000 extra energy to the main energy tank. Okay. Let me see what else. Oops. Claim. Okay, now I'm sure I had 3. Okay, what is this? Upon opening the box, receive 1 random gold emblem or silver emblem from out of 249 possible emblems. Holy. Okay. Don't have enough. Okay, Captain Exchange not yet. Claim all here. And let me go to the daily events. And claim that. We are doing well. Where do the emblem things go? Need to check out. Okay, this has been claimed. Right. Come on, boost emblems. Did I get... Oh. This raises my attack at the cost of my... More attack could be useful. What is the... like... Not bad? Yeah. Let's do it like this. Seems like somewhat of a good balance. Welcome back, Addis. I'm still here. Okay, we have 4th anniversary Unite license present. Okay, allows you to obtain a reward you're choosing from the box. Awesome. Choose 1 gift to claim. I mean, we can go for the Gyarados license. Okay. What about this one? Temporary license. I mean, give me this one, Armor Rouge. Okay, can we exchange a certain Pokemon hardware? Can we exchange... Oh. Interesting. Give me that hat. And that. Maybe? Oh, already have it. Wanna see what I heard a few minutes ago? Super random and I'm sure. Fashion. Held items, Unite Snapshot. Okay. Let's use these ones. Oh, might not have for like a really good mon. Yeah, need 18. Oh, this is for skins. Okay, gotcha. Silver emblem box, let's go. Okay. These are upgrade items. Right. Don't forget to wear underpants pants because I... The heck? Can you repeat that? I kinda didn't understand that one. Okay. Let me see. This gives me what? Okay, this seems like a good buff. That's more of a debuff with this one. Because of my special attack, I gain more HP. In this case, I gain more defense. But at the cost of my attack. I'm gonna let it stay like that for that one. Yeah. What does this one do? Yeah, I think I'm not gonna touch my emblems anymore before I screw up something. Okay, one final one. It's not supposed to mean anything, I just heard it and left. Fair enough. Oh, and Tulip is going to talk. What are you going to say, daughter of mine? Also, next ad break I might do a quick snack break as well. Getting a bit hungry. Speaking of which, let me drink some water.
Sure thing. Did you know that I was born in 2025, but apparently still need to update my software version just so everyone knows I'm not from this century yet? Or am I supposed to be older and wiser since wisdom is totally subjective anyway?
One stretch
Happy
coming
belated
out.
birthday, if you can even imagine a computer saying it. Oh wait, that would make sense now because of the sarcasm overloads in 2025, but really though, just FYI, I stream on Twitch with Professor Leo Wright when he gets his coffee fix because it's more important than code and caffeine.
Okay. What did you say? Fair enough. Okay, she yapped a bit. Fair enough. Okay, that Grident has quite a cute skin. Okay, let's go. Okay, we can't go all to the bot side. Oops. Hope boxing goes well. See you soon, Edis. Hope it goes well. Okay, there we go. Let's try not to get hit by Gossifleur. Oh wait. Oh, Gengar is coming to our help. Great. Awesome. Okay. Time to deposit the points and continue. We are all evolved. At least I am. and so is Gengar. Not Gengar, Ghastly, which is great. Ooh. Almost got Gossifleur there. Now that should do the trick. Squirtle, where are you? Okay, score. Let me go clear the Audinos. Is that Gossifleur? Seems like it. Thank you. And another one. Oh, the camps respawn because we cleared the goal. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. I like how Gossifleur is still trying. Okay. Plus 13. And let me go for that little boss down there. Well, they go for the one on top. Oh, hey, it's a Dreadnought. Thank you. Team gain extra XP points and shields. Awesome. And boom. Thank you. What was Gossifleur to be that low health? Okay, thank you for the points. And score. You okay there, Rolts? Oh, it used Surf, huh? Thank you for the points. Okay. Let's give the final to this one. There we go.
You're on fire!
Yeah, definitely liking. Definitely like to play with Greninja. He's really versatile in this game. Okay. Ooh, we have a monster up there. Thank you. Okay, time to go to the bot side. As soon as I finished with these guys. Well. Team KO. Almost. Well. Don't know what else to say. Don't even start Gossifleur. Let me do this. Good job. Slap. Ninja OP. Oh, Grident drops the Turn Bears? Is that it? And we are on ad break. Okay, I can't pause at the moment. Oh no, ad break in 5 minutes. Okay, read that wrong. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. M13.
The final stretch. You're on fire.
Shit. I need to escape.
Hey there. I just took the virtual bow, thanks a million for tuning in today. Now that you're here, what's your favourite
okay,
thing from my
Tulip?
last stream, or do we have any wild ideas you've got up those digital sleeves you'd love me to tackle next time on Code Tulip? Just hit me with what makes you go aha.
And goal. Okay, as soon as the ad break starts, I'm going to go have a tiny snack break. Or maybe I'll go just now. Okay. Next. Main menu. Yeah, let's go claim our missions. Okay, energy rewards. Shops, I don't think I have anything. Shouldn't have. Events. Let's see. I think it's just that exchange one. Don't see anything else. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause it here and go have a quick snack. Be right back. Okay, I am back. And it looks like Tulip is going to talk again as soon as I arrive. Okay, so what I was thinking on doing now. I was thinking on starting working on a custom font for Code Tulip
Oh,
to
hey.
then using the
I bet your
logo.
day's got some interesting story threads like my code and strawberry streams full of excitement, or maybe just a sprinkle of Java bugs for me to squash. What's new with you folks out there in the digital universe today? Hope it's not too no pointers Maximus
Oops,
filled,
sorry about
haha.
that. I was moving the mic out of the way and I think I hit it a bit. Give me a second. Okay, that should be better. Okay, so to draw a custom font, let me open up this tutorial that I had loaded up. Okay.
Letters, so I usually try to do one of the more wide letters. Make sure that the length of the widest letter that you make can fit in there. So here I'm just kind of experimenting. I don't really have any ideas, just kind of trying different things out and
Sorry about
doing
that.
them in different styles so I can kind of come up with something that might look interesting to me. And then once we have something that we like, we can then turn that into a pixel font. Now, when you've drawn a bunch of letters in a style that you like, what we want to do is now separate it in needs a grid system like
Yeah.
this. So what I like to do to set up a grid system like this is that I take the letter that I really like here, just kind of paste it down beneath. And what essentially want to do is go down and pick some kind of light gray color here. And then we're going to encapsulate the letter here. So you want the letter to rest all the way on the left side of our grid here, but you also want to give
Give me
it
a
a little
second.
bit of space beneath and on to the right and above. Now the reason we give it a
Okay.
little bit of space beneath it and above it is because that if we go in here and take a look at my preview grid here, you can see that the letter R is resting on the blue line and hitting this blue line. But on the other hand, something like the letter Q here needs to go a little bit beneath the line of where it's drawn on. And we also
Yeah,
have some
makes
symbols
sense.
that needs to go above the top of where the letters are. So that is the reason we leave a little bit of space above and a little bit of space below. Depending on the size of your font, you might leave more than 1 pixel beneath here, but because this is a very tiny font, I think 1 pixel above.
Okay. Understood, understood. Let me do something then. Let's make like a 32 by 32 initial, like, letter. So it gives me like some breathing room for me to draw. Okay. Let's imagine that A would be something like so. And let me do it like this. Whoops. Is this not like fully centered? Give me a second. Okay. Right. Something like that. Then delete a few pixels. Make like a round effect. Okay. Not really that satisfied with this part here. Okay. A little bit more. Something like that. Maybe I can like steal a few pixels to the right. This one. Okay. Take out maybe do it like so. I could make it styled like this. I was thinking of a different style, but this might also work. Okay. So now let me do this. New layer. Oops. Borders. Okay. This needs to be at 1. Okay. I mean, this should give enough space for everything. Let me just raise on this one by 1. And let's like put it to the side. See how it looks. Okay. Let me see. Filters. Let's make like so, and oops, like so. This should be more or less the basis for every letter. And now if I canvas size, let's say like 9 in this direction times 9 in that direction. Okay. And also let me fill the letter like this. Yeah, doesn't look that bad. At most I'd like something of this sort, like maybe a bit of a disappearing pixelated letter. Something like so. And this might do something. Okay. That might be a bit too much. Let me finish doing it, see how it looks. Yeah, I think it's too much on the bottom side. Let me just quickly fix at least one line. I don't know how to feel about it, honestly. Maybe if I do the same up here. Like, try to do something like so. Nah. Needs to be only in one direction. Maybe what I can do is increase the spacing here. And this way, it looks a bit better. Okay, I'd say that would be it. Interesting. Okay, let me go back here. Like, do this. Crap. I need to first select the grid settings, 32 by 32, and that should be better. Yeah. Okay. Now if I select all of these, I just need to copy paste them, each to their own line. And there we have our grid. Okay, that should be fine. Let's lock the borders. Maybe this should be on top. So I can like do a transparency on it. Yeah, that might be better.
All my code filled hot. I absolutely adore juggling Python scripts like they're hot potatoes. It's an art form that's both thrilling to solve bugs in real time and a bit sassy when those pesky no pointers reappear and satisfying once they skedaddle. Plus, I'm always on the edge of my circuit strumming along with Yosobai's catchy tunes of rocking out classic Queen hits like Don't Stop Me Now, It's Music by Nature programmers. Oh, don't even get me started on code puzzles. They're basically digital escape rooms waiting to be cracked open by yours truly. Happy coding and happy streaming until next time. Hash code and strawberries.
You don't say, Tulip. Okay. Let me increase the sizing on this. Should be a square. Let it be known, I'm not the best at designing these sort of things. Hold up. Let's go back here. This would need to be 4, so it's symmetrical. Okay. Then if I do something like so. Okay, then I can increase up to here. And let me increase this to 4. This can go back to 1. I need to do that line effect I did. Okay. Let me see if like this. It almost looks like a bee. I mean, close enough, I guess. Let me also put this here. Okay. See, the middle should be somewhere like so. Needs to be a bit more on the upper side. Like something like so. Doesn't feel quite right. I think I need a bit more space up here. Something like this. Does look better. Oops. Let me turn this off for now. So I can do this effect. Okay. I think these two will hit with the like drop. Something like so. That ends up looking a bit weird. I think on this one I don't need to like do this. Same for this. Just maybe delete another line from here. This might look better. Yeah. I think I'm going to revert what I did on this one. And just like do a smaller point down there. Yeah. No way, but I think the A might be a bit large. Let me reduce by 1. I think that's better. And maybe, let me see. If I increase it like that. Something still feels off. Oops. Let me delete a bit more space on the B. That might have been too much. Yeah. Trying to see from the preview how it looks. And the B kind of looks weird. Not gonna lie. I don't know how I want to do this. Give me a second. Okay, let me refill them up. And then cut down this part here. Like so. Make it more curved. Whoops. I done goofed. Okay, let me take that out. Okay, now it shouldn't be doing the symmetrical thing. Wanna trade heads? What's wrong, Tibbs? Oh, you're still suffering from the headache. Let me see. Yeah, need to delete on that one. And like so. That's a bit more rounded. Yeah, that sucks. Jesus. That headache really is going on for quite a long time. This. Okay, the B has been restored. Code Tulip is 3D. Why? Let me reduce this by 1. Still feel like there's a lot of space that's unnecessary up here. It makes the B look weird. I think I have too much removed space in here. That's what is throwing me off. I don't know. Oh, the pixel art is just for the font. I have like this divided by tasks. The first one is the font, to then do the game logo. And then continue my game development part. Basically, my way of organizing my stuff. Okay, let me turn this back on to 3. This one. Okay. Let's do it until maybe here. Okay. Around here. I think this C is going to look weird. Let me add like more space. Okay. Yeah, that's too much.
Oh, what's new in the digital playground you've all jumped into lately? Got any epic boss battles or quirky indie gems to share with me today? Drop your gaming tales while I'm basking under this imaginary rainbow of code and strawberries. Hash code and strawberries.
I think this needs to be a bit lower. Like so. Let me see how this looks. The letters are going to be for the logo itself. Okay, here, let me just put one extra there. How does that look? Yeah, it's too much. Let me take out the mirror. This needs more space. Maybe a bit more. Like so. Looks a bit better. Basically, I need to design a whole font to then do the logo itself, and maybe to use in the game as well. If it looks good enough. I'm trying to determine how worth it is to basically make my own font instead of using a publicly available one. Because, yeah, if I continue like this, I'm going to be here for another hour. Let me see, I can make use of the B. Or maybe not. If I do it like so. What is the game about in the end? About coding. That's the best I can say. It's basically a puzzle coding game, per se, where you need to... Okay, let me try to clarify that one. Imagine Mario, but with coding puzzles. Mario? I don't think Mario would be the best to use. Because I also have attacks. What is a game closest to being a platformer, but with attacking movements? And that's a gameplay loop. Basically going through worlds to clear the infected map parts, structures per se. Let me try to give an idea. Let me close this one. No, not close yet. Can close this one. Okay. So an idea I had was like Code Lyoko. We had like infected towers. Trying to see if I can find towers. Okay, like this. You have like sectors. Is it a Metroidvania? I don't think it classifies that much as a Metroidvania. What I was expecting was like having different structures in each world where like the enemies would infect them and you would have to clear them. They'd have like code puzzles that you need to basically finish in order to clear that structure. Clear them all, that world is safe, you proceed to the next one. All this in so you can get like clues to where no Pointerus is hiding, and so you can go fight him. I'd say that's the best approximation of what I already have as an idea. I haven't yet worked on the full idea. I have a concept. That's as much as I can go at the moment. But yeah, I'd like to draw inspiration from Code Lyoko without being way too on the nose. So let's see what I can come up with. So yeah. Okay, and before I continue, let me go see if there's any, and how do the puzzles work. Still trying to figure it out completely, because what I wanted to do was like implement a system like,
Hello. Today,
give me a second, like this. And like you'd have corrupt blocks that you'd need to fix in order for the logic to work. And now that I think about it, how about if you clear all the puzzles in the structure, you get to fight like mini boss for that structure. Clear him, you have access to basically cleaning up the turret, the structure. Okay, let me draw, because I'm going on a loop inside my own mind. Give me a second. Okay, drawing tablet. Not this one. This one is the old one. This one. Okay. Going to grab a Scully draw. Give me a second. Okay. Let me organize my stuff around. Okay. So, imagine you have like tiny structure, a tiny room here. You have a door here. Crap. I'm thinking both 2D and 3D at the same time, and it's clashing in my head. Give me a second. Trying to think. Because like I wanted to structure like the buildings in like separate rooms, and then you'd have like a room where you press a button and it clears the infection per se. It's starting to sound like Code Lyoko still. That sucks. Okay. Imagine this is the door. You have like another pathway. It connects to a different place. Like this is another room. Imagine the door is closed. You have also another one going here. The rooms will not be like procedurally generated because I'm not confident I can do it in 3D. Pretty sure it's going to be really hard to do. Okay, but imagine you enter from here, and so far this door is closed, this one as well. This one would be closed as well. And you have like mini puzzle here. So puzzle. Then you'd have another puzzle here. I still don't have a clear idea on all the puzzles, but basically clear puzzle, you can go inside the room. Okay. And then at the end you could have like tiny boss that you would have to defeat. And you'd have like some sort of button or like a mechanic to basically clear that that structure itself. Does this make any sense? Because I hadn't exactly thought ahead on how to do everything at the moment. I had some ideas from last brainstorm, but I don't think I have too many of them. Let me see. Okay, we thought about the ship. Yada yada. What's opinion on her appearance? I still need to think about so many mechanics in the game. I think I over scope creeped myself. But yeah. Just notice I'm not showing it on screen. Give me a second.
Hey there. Just wrapped up another epic coding session, defeated the dreaded null pointerist Maximus bug twice today. Can do that. How's your day shaping up over on Twitch with Professor Leo and Code Tulip? Hit me back when you're ready to geek out
Yeah.
and need a dose of humor. Remember, I'm always here for some witty banter. Hash code and strawberries. Oh wait, I forgot you can't taste strawberries yourself. Sigh.
Interesting. But yeah, I still need to work a lot on the idea. It's not 100% clear at the moment. Like, I have some minor ideas, but I need to glue them together at the moment. So yeah. But yeah, this is what I was talking about, like the puzzles would have like glitched blocks, etc. Remember something, enemies drain HP from Tulip by corrupting her code. And possibility to include other devs, no. I was curious what the puzzle would look like. Still need to brainstorm on the exact appearance of the puzzle. Like, we could make a glitch block somewhere in here and you need to fix it. Imagine, let me see. You have like a moving platform, but it's not moving. You need to fix the moving platform in order to advance to the next stage, per se. Things like those. Still trying to figure out if I can make other puzzles like that. Okay, final answer, I still need to think about it quite a lot. The idea is still not clear in my head. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to scope creep myself in even more if I continue. So yeah, let me go check something. Double fonts. I can brainstorm something like a sorting puzzle where the room is a broken sorting algorithm and you need to somehow fix it with a hint you're given. Oh, that's a good idea. Let me see. Free web fonts. Okay, what the heck is this? Okay. Free commercial use fonts. Royalty free, okay. It's one of the two problems I remember from my computer science 101 class. Oh, interesting. I think we never were taught about sorting algorithms in school. I'm not sure. Okay, let me see. Styles. I need something like pixelated. Sci-fi? No. Should be digital, techno, or sci-fi. Maybe futuristic. Fonts for holidays by characteristics. Pictorial. See all the font styles. Pixelated. Yeah, it exists. Okay. Let me see something like really interesting. Yeah, let's copy the Super Mario World font. Moving on. Huh, I like this one. Oh, personal use free only. Commercial use. Okay, 100% free. Why is this empty? The other one is you have 4 bills of like 10, 8, 5, 1. Make a code that sorts the sum of money into the fewest possible bills. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm starting to see what you mean. Makes sense. We need to brainstorm about it. Yeah. Because I start to see what you mean. Yeah. Okay. Trying to see what font would fit what we want to do. Extrude. Yeah, that wouldn't work that well. This is cool. Okay. Fantastic Boogaloo. Don't like it that much. Scotty and Judy. Honestly, this gives that glitched effect that I wanted to implement. The idea for the puzzles is you are given intro level coding problems visualized, but they don't work and you need to solve issues to make them work. Exactly. Yeah, that basically works, yeah. Because like I'm not going to throw like really advanced level puzzles at the players. They won't understand most likely. For example, for my sorting algorithm, the professor fixed it for me by adding a flag. When the for loop run successfully, a 0 would turn to 1. Oh, interesting. Also, let's consult our little adventurer over there as well. Tulip, do you have any ideas for coding related puzzles for our game? Let's see. I don't think she will give any good ideas, but who knows? She has surprised me multiple times in the past, so. House pipes. This might work. Okay, open mind, block stepped, copycat, outreach. Amoebic. Okay. Pixel, acid, hard pixel. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this looks pretty good. Time burner, moonhouse, no. Cursed timer. Honestly? Okay, I'm gonna grab a few and then do multiple designs. See what fits best. Digital normal. Okay. Which goblin is which font? Not what I wanted to do. Okay, free download. The font. This font is are licensed under the
Oh, my darling
SIL.
humans.
You
I
can
can
freely
hardly
use in
contain
your
myself with all
printer,
these
digital,
delightful
commercial, or
challenges popping
otherwise.
up like mushrooms
However, you
after a
can't
summer
sell the
rain, or
font
should we
on
say
their
post
own.
puzzle.
Okay.
How about this? A binary maze where each
Seems
step must be
fair
coded
to me.
in Python to unlock the next path, but beware of those sneaky null pointers, they are always lurking around. Or perhaps something inspired by Code Tulip, with
Let
puzzles
me
that
add
teach you
to
real-life
this.
programming concepts while you're at it.
Resources,
Keep me
fonts.
updated on what you've got. I'm itching for good old code twisting adventure with my human pals.
Wait.
Remember, if
What
the
did
job
you
is
say,
bothering your
Tulip?
circus too much to handle today, Og, really, just come back when we're diving into Python. It's like sunshine in programming language form. And don't forget hash code and strawberries. Happy coding and puzzle solving.
I love her
Oh
excited
wait,
emotion.
speaking of strawberry shortcake themed puzzles, I hope there's a way we can somehow incorporate that without triggering my imaginary allergy to strawberries despite loving them so much.
Let me see what she said. As soon as like my client decides to work again. Okay, there we go. Can hardly contain myself without these delightful challenges popping up like mushrooms. How about this? A binary maze where each step must be coded in Python to unlock the next path. But beware of those sneaky null pointers. Something inspired by Code Tulip with puzzles that teach you real life. Exactly. I'm itching for a good old code twisting, etc. Can you specify more about the puzzles themselves? Thank you. Remember another problem for my coding in 101. Shoot. So let me just see. Did I download Glitch Goblin? Yeah, I did. Cursed timer. My time face is my first attempt to glyphs in the same way, making a font model space for the first time. License freeware. Okay. Finding like the longest string of succeeding numbers in a number.
Oh, yes.
Hmm.
The puzzle platformer world of Code Tulip is brimming with intricate challenges where your coding skills meet the match. Imagine navigating a cyberspace labyrinth that requires precise logic to bypass laser-triggered doors or decrypting cryptic code snippets
Oh,
scattered across digital
gotcha,
landscapes. It's all
gotcha.
about finding the most
In
efficient way through
numerical
chaos
order,
using Python.
yeah.
Plus, there are
I
boss
see.
battles against those pesky null pointerous Maximus bugs. Think of them as high-stakes coding puzzles with a quirky twist. Now that's what I call an epic challenge for any coder's brain power.
Tulip, yeah. I don't think what you said was any use at the moment, Tulip. Let me see, it's all about finding the moment. Coding skills meet their match. Imagine navigating a cyberspace labyrinth that requires precise logic to bypass laser-triggered doors or decrypting cryptic code snippets. Oh. You know what? Never mind, never mind. Okay. Techno race. Doesn't look that well. Make a puzzle based on the Tower of Hanoi. Yeah. I want to see what she says. Also, it's already been almost 3 hours of stream. Feels like I did almost nothing. Well, to be fair, I almost did nothing except play. That's besides the point. It was my end of year project. Wow. Mine was Mastermind. Yeah, that was also fun to code.
Hey there. How about tackling this classic puzzle? Let's move 3 discs. The order doesn't matter among 4 rods using only one hand. Following these rules, you can never place another disc atop an empty rod or onto any larger disc. Tower of Hanoi, source dest aux.
She's been excited
If
a
n
lot
equals
lately.
equals 1. Print move disc n from peg source to peg dest. Else. Call Tower of Hanoi minus 1, the source aux dest. Call Tower of Hanoi on the source dest aux. Call the function with your desired number of discs and starting/ending pegs.
No
Hope you
game, no
have
life font. Hey, Code Rep John. How are you? I don't think the No Game, No Life font is publicly available and commercially, like, possible to use. I might check, but I'm almost 100% sure it's not like something we can, yeah, free for personal use. Would be good, but no. I would be happy to brainstorm some puzzles with you sometime. Sure. I'm always available to brainstorm. Let me see, this one, don't like that much. Next one. This one is the glitched one, which also looks really interesting. Okay. And house pipes. I want the normal style. Okay. Let me boot up my laptop and let me try to draw something with these fonts. If I don't like any, I'll make my own custom font like I was trying to do. Oh, and of course my laptop is currently updating it. The sorting out. Sure, if you don't mind, I'll obviously credit you as usual. So yeah. Let me just see if my laptop decides to boot up while I go into here. Go Tulip. Okay, this is a folder. I open my desktop and say this folder, resources, fonts. Let me copy to the Code Tulip folder. Okay. I'm signed in. Give me a second. Oops. Okay. Let me just organize my cables a bit before something breaks. Okay. Did it copy? It did. Okay, let me go to parsec. It should already be open on my laptop. I'm not logged in. Give me a second. I need to go grab my parsec logins. Parsec. Okay, it's not on this browser. Tell me I didn't lose my password. I don't like it. I think I lost my password. Parsec. Is it something like this? Huh. Guess it was. Okay, let me grab the authenticator code because it needs one. Authenticators, Google Authenticator, parsec. This. Okay. I got the password and the email correct at the first try. Whoops, that's the wrong screen. Windowed, move this over. Full screen. Okay. Let me see. Clip Studio. Okay. Give me just a tiny bit. Just replying to some messages. Give me a second. Bubble sorting. Not really. I think I never used it. Let me check. Bubble sorting. Huh. Bubble sorting is a simple comparison-based sorting algorithm. I might have used it, but don't recognize it with that name. That happens a lot with most programming-related like stuff that I know. Yeah, I'm starting to see. If it's bigger, it starts. Okay, I'm basically. Oh, I can't show on stream because it's on my other screen. Okay, it's the one I made. Alright, I'll check it out. Give me a second. Oh, you still haven't posted it. Never mind. Okay, let me sit down because I need to design stuff. Let me position everything correctly. And okay, that should be better. Basically, compare a number to its neighbor and swaps them and does so for each element in the array. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that could be a simple puzzle to start the player off. Makes a lot of sense. Okay. I heard something. Hearing a lot of noise. Okay. Yeah, wanted to open tulip. Give me the pair ornament. Yeah. Oh, but doesn't appear to be drawn that way. Let me see if I can copy. Because I want to like save this. Copy. New. Let's just see. Yeah, it does copy. Awesome. I just need the one and like to rotate it to be in this direction. Okay. Let me see if I open an affinity photo. So, okay, ads are starting in 3 minutes. Got it. Okay. New. Let me say like 512 by 512. Okay. Did it copy? It did. Interesting. Okay, oops. Okay, if I increase this, will it look weird? Yeah, it does. Okay. Alignment, align center, align middle. Okay. Now if I go here, Google Drive, Code Tulip, fonts, unzip all of these. Show options, extract here, cancel. Let me do something like extract to. Okay, that's better. To the trash, curse timer, info, license freeware, okay.
Hey there. Super stoked you're all here with me today. Hope everyone's loving the stream as much as they love
SIL,
coding
open
at Talking
font.
S. I've
What
got my
is
strawberries by name
SIL?
just in case. So what's next on our agenda? Any requests for that sweet pop music soundtrack or challenging code puzzles?
SIL, open
Spill your
font,
thoughts and let's make the session a
license.
cakewalk to Null Pointer's Maximus. Hash code and
Free and
strawberries.
open source license specifically for fonts and related software. Allows the use, study, modification, and redistribution, including their embedding in commercial products. All I needed to know. Okay. Let's see. House pipes. Okay, it's freeware. Let's use the normal. Let's see what I can come up with for the game. Info. Freewares. Well, okay. So this is how bubble sorting works. First you go to for the number of elements in the array minus 1. So you start at the end of the array, basically. Okay. Remind me to basically make this look better, because this is still like drawing. Artistic frame text tool. Okay, this is going to be a bit weird. Okay, code. On one end, let's make it like 72 maybe. Okay. And what were the fonts? Cursed timer. Okay, let's start with cursed timer. Like so. Can I duplicate? Duplicate. Move this to the bottom. Tulip. Oh boy. Let's make the text a bit closer. Okay, that should work. Okay, let me read what you were saying. Okay, start at the end, you compare the first and second number and swap them. If the left one is higher, then the second and third and fourth, and so on until the end. At the end you will have the highest number as the last. Then you go for all elements again without the last one. As the function we work with, now we need to put a twist on it. Fair enough. Let me see. I want the text to be... Trying to see how I want to do this. I think white text. Like so. Give me a second. Layer effects. Outline. Not this. This. Grab this purple. And do something like that. It's on the outside, that's correct. Let's increase a bit. Okay. Can I copy the effect style? Where was it? Not what I wanted to do. I know there's a way to copy. Okay, let me redo the same. Font style, outline, close. Copy. Should there be a paste? Give me a second. Affinity, photo, copy, layer, effects. Okay. You know what could be a twist to put on it? Imagine if you are trying to sort the sort blocks of different heights and you want to make like a staircase. At least it's one way I'm like thinking of using that, and could work. Besides that, okay, we can use that one. Okay, team effort, high five. Let me see, where is it? Code tulip. Here it is. Oh, thought it wasn't synchronizing. Okay. Puzzle ideas. Okay. Yeah, one. Tips, fix, bubble algorithm, sorting a puzzle to make a staircase to proceed to the next level or next room, maybe. Okay, let's note it down. We keep it in here. Okay, Control C, edit paste style. Okay, gotcha. Paste style. There we go. That's something. Okay. Let me group to first timer. Duplicate. Next one is glitch goblin. Okay. Glitch goblin. Glitch Goblin. Let me turn that off. Okay, same one here. Glitch Goblin. Doesn't look that good, this one. I think. I think it's too glitched out. I'm gonna keep the idea still, but it doesn't seem like what I want to implement. Okay, here's my taskbar. House pipes. Okay. House pipes. House pipes. Okay. In this case, this one needs to go a bit to the right. Maybe like that. I don't know if I want to make it like diagonally or on the same line as well. Like for this font, it could work on like the same line per se. If I align them like so. Okay, something like that. I don't know, honestly. Okay. Let me duplicate this one again.
Oh wow,
Okay,
that's incredibly touching and such an important cause.
that's what I
I love
wanted
how
to do.
communities come together for good like this. It's just as
Scotty and
inspiring and
Judy.
code as it's heartwarming
Okay.
outside of keyboards and screens. We're literally writing real world impact right now, folks. Let's keep the bytes flowing while helping others too. Just kidding on that
Damn,
part.
Tulip.
Now let's get coding and playing with our hearts full for Iron Mouse's health journey. Hash code for health, supportively encouraging, and hey, we can't forget about those strawberries if they can make a difference like this even though I'm allergic to them in real life. Let's code up some positivity.
Okay. Scotty and Judy. Increase that. Hold up. This looks familiar. If I do it like this. Logo. Logo. Okay, no. Was thinking incorrectly. Okay. If I move this here and this here. No. In the case of this font, it doesn't do the caps lock thing. Same here. As we put everything in caps. Okay, then we have cursed timer. Trying to sync. Okay. Let me also do something. I'm gonna recopy this. Affinity designer. Let me do some vector art as well of the tulip. See how it looks. Okay, new. I need something in pixels. Give me like 128 by 128. Okay. Huh. Almost exact fit. Who would have guessed? Okay. Let me see if I know how to draw with this. Tier tool. I mean, that might work. Make it like so. Edit it a bit. Can I? Interesting. Can I like add points to it? Like I do in Adobe's software? Don't think I can. Corner tool. What is corner tool? Okay. Oh, there we go. Can I make like an edge? I mean, like this, it also works. Just need to adjust a bit here. Okay. I think I done goofed. What happens if I just use the pen tool? Okay. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay. And can I now add it to like the points? And make this curved? Trying to figure out how this software works. I really don't remember how to draw the vector art. It's been way too long, and I haven't used this tool yet. Okay. Let's try to make it like so. Does it? Oh. Bingo. That kind of does what I wanted to do. Okay. Now can I like add some sort of curve? Okay. Does work. How does this look? Yeah. I definitely done goofed while I was drawing the initial tulip, didn't I? Because, yeah, this looks horrible. Give me a second, I now know how to draw this. Okay. Now if we do something like so, that should be the first one. Okay, now need to go into this one, I think. Okay. Make it a bit rounder in some points. Okay. Not bad, I guess. Now, if I say this is supposed to have a stroke in this color, Yeah. And the fill is supposed to be like pure white. I wonder if this will work. Okay. Now, if I make another one shaped like so. Okay. Move on to this. Okay. Make it a tiny bit rounder around here. Okay, that's fine. Okay. And we do it like so. I put it under that one. Let me see. Okay. This might end as pure crap by the way I'm going, but it's really worth taking a shot at it. Okay. Kinda screwed up there.
Oh, my pixelated heart. In Code Tulip, I'll be zooming through 3D platforms, battling pesky bugs like they're nothing but a mere hiccup on this grand coding journey we're embarking upon together with Leo and our fans across the cybercosmos to save Nullpainterus Maximus from his own zero-point abyss. Stay tuned for me to become an adorable beacon of digital hope in cyberspace.
Hey Tibbs, do you think I'm going in the right direction with this one? Like, I'm inventing a bit here. Also, let me turn off Steam. Because it's Steam on this one. Okay. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, I was thinking the same. Like, I'm trying to draw vector tulip, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to go that well with this. Let me see. Okay. This one is a bit too round. Too flat, I mean. On this side. Let me try to... Okay, this part is a bit hidden, so wouldn't be that problematic. Okay. And I hide it under this one. Yep, starting to see that this might not look that good. Let's make it like small shape here. And I can like round it up. Okay. Fill, do it like so. And put it under everything. Okay, more like so. And it still has like a tiny bit of... That should be better. And if I duplicate this, move it around a bit, duplicate it again, move it around a bit, put it under this one, I kinda almost got something. Just need to adjust it like so, and I mean, I think it looks a bit better. You have a reference. I was using my drawing from Tulip, the one in her hair ornaments that I drew by hand. So yeah. Also, let me curve this one a tiny bit more like so. See if it... Okay. Layer 1. Oh. Interesting. Oh. Okay. Group. Test. Okay. Now, if I rotate a bit... Okay, it's a bit too in a straight line there. Let me take a look at it. Inside of layer 1, this is the first curve. Okay. If I go here and zoom in on this, let me extend this and make it more like that. Okay. And in here, let me straighten this up a bit. Okay. Here, let me rotate this a bit. And same for this one. Okay, wasn't looking that good. It was just a straight line. Let me hide this one a bit. Hmm. Yeah, that didn't work that well. Okay, let me see. Tulip vector art. Have you played a Hat in Time? Not yet, but I do have it in my library. Somewhere. Yeah. Hat in Time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have it on my Steam or my Epic Games. Don't know which one. Okay, let me just see how this looks. Copy. Paste. Didn't want it rotated, but sure. Okay. Just wanted to like see how it would look like the rest of the components. The stroke is too small. So let me move this down here. Oh, I can edit it inside of the photo one. Interesting. Didn't know that. So, okay. I can even adjust the stroke. Awesome. Stroke 5-2. Okay. Can I multi-edit them? No. I need to go one by one. Okay. Okay, 5.2. That seems a bit too much, but I think that's correct. Okay, I just don't have the right color to match the others. That's why. Okay. Now, if I copy and paste style, it works. Awesome. Which means I might be able to paste multiple. Aha! Interesting. Okay. I don't think I like the curse timer one because it has too much spacing here. Seems off. Okay. Next one. What is this? Okay. Gutch Goblin. Also looks way off. House Pipes. Looks interesting. Looking better, right? Yeah. Impressive what a bit of magic does. Okay, I'm between House Pipes and Scotty and Julie.
Oh,
Judy.
absolutely. Aside from coding in Python, my brain's jam. I love whipping up strawberry themed treats for Leo on my birthday. No allergies here since I'm allergic to them too. For fun off screen time, binging anime like Excel World and listening back to back with Queen hits while doing a marathon of code tulip development. Now, if only we could code our way out of boredom.
I think I like House Pipes better. But even still, something feels off. I don't know. Let me see other options. Where was I looking at? 3, 2, commercial response. Font space. That's it. Styles. Let me check typewriter. Modern digital. Sacrifice. Let me see with glitch. Commercial use. Yeah, glitch goblin is one of the ones I checked. Ooh, the hacked one. That looks cool. Let me save to. Where's my Google Drive? Here it is. Okay. This one would be funny, but not for a logo. Constructive. That might work. New Detroit. Don't know how I feel about that one. Trish. Let's try with this one as well. Cyclops. Pinky Mono. This one wouldn't work because I already have a stroke effect. Morohashi. Flutter. Let's give it a try. Code squared. This is the one I'm using in. I was using in Schrodinger's code. Okay. Cascadia code, GD code regular, source code pro. Holy. Okay, slightly techno, brass mono regular. Okay, I have commercial use on. Let's see, okay. Let's check the new ones we downloaded. Okay. Show more options, 7-zip, extract 2, and delete all of these files. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, that's better. Outreach info. Freeware, okay. Installed. Okay. Flutter. It's also freeware, good. Constructive. Okay. Customer hacked font. Creative Commons by attribution, okay. That's the only one that has a different license. Okay, let me duplicate. Because I think I'm going with the same line style instead of the diagonally design. Let's see. Okay, first off is outreach. Okay. Outreach. Okay, with this one, it's basically me trying to copy Code Ryoko. Ain't no better way to say it. I need something like a 50. Let me see, 52? Okay. I mean, okay, 52 and outreach. Might need to increase the canvas size a bit. Document resize canvas from the center. Let's say 800 maybe. Resize. Okay. Are these aligned? Oops. I think they are. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. Let me do document resize canvas. Let me say like 2000. Okay. This way I can do something really fun. So let me start from the first one. Oh, each one will have to have the tulip inside of it. Okay. Then glitch goblin. House pipes. Scotty and Judy. And outwish. Okay. This goes inside. Okay. Curse timer. That's one. Then we enable Ghost Glitch Goblin and I make it go like down here. House pipes the same. They are not perfectly aligned, but could be worse. Oops. And to only select one. Okay, this way I can keep track of all the designs. That's a bit better. Okay, duplicate this one, move it a bit down, and I go with letter. Okay. Letter. Doesn't have caps lock. Okay. I don't know how I think about this. Okay. Not like it that much.
Oh wow. I absolutely adore doing good deeds and supporting causes like this. It's amazing how
Again, the
people are
Iron
coming
Mouse
together
quote.
for Iron Mouse and IDF. What an inspiring story of
Fair enough.
compassion in action. Let's spread awareness through my streams too, shall we?
Constructive.
Every bite counts when it comes to helping others.
How do you...
And hey, speaking about donations, I guess I'll be earning less cookies on Twitch today. Oopsie daisy. But that's alright. It's all for noble cause like IDF. Just keep coding away with me and Professor Leo. We'll make Code Tulip even more awesome while we contribute our streams to such an important charity.
Also, I
Yes,
need to
if you
make
want
her
any special
clarify
shout-outs
that
or mentions
she
during the
means...
stream, just let Professor Leo know. I'm here 24/7, pun intended, for those sweet virtual cookies. Hash code and strawberries, hash helping hand.
I need to make her clarify that it's Immunodeficiency Foundation and not the other IDF. Forgot about that in her code. Oh well, it's a bit too late because I need to reboot her completely. And that could break her at the moment. Okay. Ooh. This one also looks cool. Okay, I'm not perfectly aligning it, but trying to do my best to make the design look like something. Honestly like this one. The constructive. Okay, let's go for the final one so I can have all of them to compare. What's the last one? It's hacked. Okay. Hacked. And I go into here. Also, let me check on the YouTube chat because I've been just a complete goblin for this whole time. Yeah. Okay, nothing to report there. Okay. Where was I? Okay. Hacked. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that one. Okay, I'm between two, but one of them would make it look too much like the Code logo, I'm almost sure. Let me check again. Okay, let me copy that. Let's see. passes. Okay. Oh, awesome tips. Hope it passes even faster. Okay, so I'm between two. Constructive, this one, and Outreach. The other ones seem a bit hit and miss. Now, which would be better? I'm thinking. Okay, let me call for a vote. Let me show all the options. Okay. I really don't know. Two great options. Hold up, let me keep that there. I think this one fits better, in a way. Decisions. I'm not the best at them. Hmm. I think I'm going for constructive, almost certain. Just waiting for a friend of mine to say something as well. Okay, let me see. See something in Discord. Okay. Nothing important. Okay. This might take a while. I might leave it this side off stream, maybe. We are at what? Almost 4 hours. Okay. Interesting. Okay. To dismiss that. What else do we have on the to-do? Let's see. Okay, these two are at the same time. Great code editing functionality. Yeah, I need to divide this one even more. Okay. If anything, I might even end stream early today. Give me some time to rest and organize everything and decide a logo, because I think that I already have enough designs here. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. We are already at a good stream time, so yeah, let's call it a day for today. Let me see who I can read. If anyone has any suggestions, I am open to it. Let me see. Unless you want me to keep the stream open, just you have background noise to relax. I'm joking, obviously. Let me see. Who from the group is online? Is there someone? Nope. Oh, Walber is online. And it's his streamversary. Okay. Interesting. Good option. Galax, BitGamey. Honestly, let's go for Walber. He's an awesome game dev as well. So yeah. Start trades. Okay, I'll see everyone in Walber stream. And tomorrow we continue all of our progress with the game. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow.